can see the post being posted by the other people. Yes. Next slide. It provides viewers to scroll down the profile. Viewers may see all profile photos appear together. So for a closer look, viewers have the option to click on any photo. The photo being chosen is displayed very clearly. So we have a chunk of this coming up. It appears as such. It appears as such on the screen. Next slide. Clicking on, I'm just describing the features of Insta, and then we will move on to this art of speaking. Clicking on a photo displays a larger version of the photo. Here, viewers can like the photo, leave a comment, or read the previously posted comments. And this photo content also displays how many people have liked the photo's caption, comments appended below the caption. Next slide. Okay, so these are all the basic features of Insta. I'm sure you're aware of it. The home page, explore, posting page, notification page. These are the basic 5 icons that we have in Insta. The user's profile page, notification, we get notification. Next. Yes. Coming on to, so I have just taken up 4 speaking activities for today. First is capturing field trip memories. So this is one activity that I already gave to my first year students, and we were very successful on it. It was really an enthralling experience, a memorable experience for the students. So what it is I asked them to choose, take 5 photos from their recent trip. Okay. So recent is definitely everyone, almost all the 75 in my class, they had been to somewhere during their summer vacation along with their parents. One group went along with their own parents. Some they went to their native place, and then there they planned, because VAT is a place of assorted culture. It's a pot of mixed cultures, and we have students from all over India. So we have students from Rajasthan, Punjab, Delhi, almost everywhere. So they go to their native place when they get 2 months of vacation, and then they plan their vacation. That's how it goes. And there were other set of students who didn't plan their vacation, in the sense they prefer to stay here in the hostel, but they planned their vacation along with their friends. Say it would be a gang of 10 or 15, and they plan somewhere nearby. Say Pondicherry or Tirupati. Some places nearby, they go have fun, or even Bangalore. And after finishing their trip, then they put on the tickets and go to their native place. So this is how that was their summer vacation. So first, in the first class, I asked them to share as to where they have been during the summer vacation, or how did they spend their summer vacation. So these were all the responses that I got. Just 3 categories of people. One, they went along with their parents. They explored almost all the places. Other group, they went to the native place first, and then they planned after 15 days. And the third category was, they preferred to stay here at the VIT University itself in their own hostel. A group of students, they planned their vacation. They went, enjoyed, came back. Then they went to their native place. Okay, these were the 3 categories. So then in the next class, after hearing to all this, I gave up the assignment that they have to choose 5 pictures out of the. Definitely, when people go on a trip, they click photographs. That becomes very vital, something very essential, and they enjoy doing it. They asked them to choose just 5 photos, make a collage, and post it on Insta. And they are going to make a presentation, which will be videotaped. Coming up to this videotaped part, it is not like when a student is making a presentation. I asked just one of his friends to make a videotape. Do it. It's not like everyone doing it. It will be just like one student videotaping the participant who is talking, and after his presentation, the video will be shared to him through WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp. It's not like posting everything on the WhatsApp group. And one or two, three videos as per the wish, as per the desire of the participants will be shared on Insta so that everyone looks into it. Okay. So that's how it was planned and it went on very well. They came up with 5 photos. They made a beautiful collage. It was posted. And then they gave a talk in the class, which was videotaped and it was shared. So this is one great activity wherein it's not just about touching on their personal experience. So they are not only interested in choosing pictures, but they also work on their speaking skill, what to talk. So they have to talk about those 5 photos that they have chosen and the duration that I gave for just 3 minutes. So 3 minutes they gave a talk. So 3 minutes they tell us to when they started, how did this plan come, with whom they went, what were the places that they visited, what they enjoyed, what they didn't like, the food that they really hated, the food that they tasted, when were they back. All these stuff, it is like the talk is pregnant with ideas. In the sense that there is no loose ends anywhere. That's what I'm trying to say. It's packed up. The talk is packed up with different ideas. When the time duration is a little lengthier, say for example 5 minutes, there are chances where the participant tends to repeat the idea, or his speech is packed up with lot of fillers like we, okay, taking time, or stealing time to present their ideas. All these problems come up. So duration, just keep it as 3 minutes for the beginning to start with. Okay, this is speaking activity 1.